Hey, what's up guys, this is Jordan here, and today in this video let's unbox and review the Miniso colorful music wired earphones. These are very low budget earphones, so let's have a look how do they perform. The Miniso colorful earphones come in a capsule shaped container which looks cute but without a box. On the capsule you can find the name of the earphones, the company information and the price of the earphones. I got them in black color, but they're available in various other colors as well. Opening up the capsule-shaped container, we get the earphones itself and an instruction manual. There are no extra ear tips included in the packaging, and these are priced at around 200 Indian rupees and are available on Amazon and Flipkart as well. I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested. Now to just give you a physical overview, as they are wired earphones, it has got a headphone jack, but unfortunately it is not gold plated and it's straight. I wish it was angled so it would remain much more sturdy when plugged in. The wire is comparatively thin and it looks to be of a decent quality. Further down the wire we have an inline remote with just the multifunctional button, and behind we have a microphone. Then we have the earbuds itself, which are made up of decent plastic, and the ear tips are also made up of decent material. So overall the build quality was very decent and I can't complain much considering the price of these earphones. The remote on the other hand is made out of plastic, and the single multifunctional button is used for various functions. Single click to play or pause the songs and to answer or reject incoming calls. Double click to skip to the next track, and triple click to skip to the previous track. So let's talk about the sound quality now. I wouldn't say I was completely impressed with the sound quality of these earphones, but yes, they were definitely good, especially considering the price of these. If you're a bass head, then you might feel a bit disappointed, as I felt the bass was high-launched on these. They got decently loud, which was much more than enough for me when I was listening to music at my home, but when outdoors I felt the loudness should have been slightly much more. The vocals sounded decent, but the instrument separation was good. The highs and the mids were good as well, and the call quality was not bad at all, and I didn't face any interference while on a call, nor the opposite person complained. The earbuds being smaller fit snug in my ears, and I didn't face any discomfort even for long hours, but I really wish they had given some extra ear tips. It's also worth noting that these are not sweat or water resistant. So finally, as for my verdict, the Miniso colorful music wired earphones sound good in my opinion, especially considering the price. These are not the ones if you are an audiophile and prefer good experience from your earphones, but if you're a person who need earphones for casual music listening, for using them for calls, and also don't want to spend much, then they could be a good choice for you in a budget. Well, the only question that remains here is how durable these are and how long will they survive. I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested. So guys, that's it for the video, and I really hope you liked it. If you all did, then kindly hit the thumbs up button, and if you all didn't, you all can vote it down. Do subscribe to me if you all haven't, and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.